Hello everyone. So today I'm going to go over a quick tutorial how to make the pencil drawing effect on pixeluvo. I noticed that there's tons of tutorials how to do this, but it's in Photoshop, so it should be fairly straightforward doing it on this application. So let's dive in. First thing is we need to create a duplicate layer as well. We have that. We are going to change the layer mode to dodge, color dodge. Then we are going to click on our image. Then we're going to, on the keyboard, you're going to press the control key and the I to invert it, like so. Then we are going to go to the effects, pull down, blur, Gaussian blur, and then we adjust it accordingly. Ideally, you want to adjust this where you don't have a lot of the details, just the the layout of the picture. So obviously we don't want to use it here. So for this scenario, we're going to do it right about there. Okay. So for the next part, we're going to create a new layer. We're going to go under the layer, new adjustment layer. I'm not sure if you can see this or not on OBS, but basically you go under layer, new adjustment layer. You select hue and saturation. I don't think you can see the hue and saturation dialog box. So you want to make sure that everything stays at 0. The hue and the lightness. The saturation, though, you want to go all the way to the far left to -100. Alright, we click OK. Then we're going to add another layer, adjustment layer, and this is going to be levels. Okay, so from the levels dialog box, let me double check here real quick to see if it's no, sadly you can't see it. You can see it in OBS what I'm recording. So basically, once you select the new layer, a new adjustment layer and levels, the first marker that you need to move is going to be on the input levels. It'll be the one to the far left. Alright, so the one on the far left underneath input levels, you move it to the right until you start seeing the outline. Now you don't want to do it all the way like this, but somewhere where it looks like you're penciling it in. So I'm going to leave mine right there. Now the other part is optional, it's up to you. Under the output levels lever, again we drag the one on the far left and we slowly move it to the right. So this is where originally started. I'm going to leave mine right about there. Alright, so we hit OK. That's basically it. I mean, I think it's kind of pretty straightforward. So we initially started with this picture, and then when we add the effects, we end up with something like this. Alright, well, that's it. Hey, if you find this useful, hit the like button or leave a comment. Alright, thanks for watching.